What is your English name?
My name is Sarah.
Sarah. I like your name, Sarah. How old are you, Sarah?
I'm fine.
How old are you? 10, 11, 12? I'm
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. And how are you today? Hungry? No? Thirsty? No? Okay, very good. Now, Sarah, let's start our speaking test. Speak loudly, okay? Are you ready? Okay, good job. Now look at the picture. Tell me, how's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather? The weather is sunny. And tell me, what do you see? I see what is this? Coconut tree. Louder. Where is the coconut tree? Coconut tree is next to the pool. Very good. And how many chairs do you see? There are
Two chairs.
2 chairs. And how many tables do you see? There is.
One table.
Very good. Where is the table? Table.
Table is
Between
between
2 chairs. Very good. Okay. And where is the girl wearing the red t-shirt? Okay, so where is the girl wearing the red t-shirt?
The girl is in the
Pool. Very good. Okay, here. Down here. What animal is this?
is a crocodile.
Crocodile. Very good. Where is the crocodile?
Crocodile is next to the flower.
Flower. What's the color of the flower? Look at this. What color is it? It's red, yellow, pink. What color?
Is orange.
Orange. Okay. Now the last part here, the cups. How many cups do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 3 cups. Okay. Where are the cups? The cups
The cup
on the.
tree.
Where are the cups? Table. Very good. So we're finished with this part. Let's move on to the second part. Okay, we have bigger picture here. And we have smaller pictures here. Okay, can you tell me what is this? Bag. Okay, I'll put the bags next to mom. Okay? Next, what is this?
Mouse.
Mouse. I'll put the mouse under the crocodile. Under the crocodile. Next, what is this? Dress. What is this? Dress. I'll put the dress between coconut tree and the girl. Okay, between. Now, what is this? I put the lemon on the table. Remember, on. Next, what's this? Fish. I'll put the fish in the pool. In the pool. Are you ready?
Yes.
Where is the dress?
Is between
Tree
and
and the girl. Next, where is the lemon?
the lemon is
On.
the table.
Where is the bag?
The bed is between
No. Next to.
next to one.
Where is the fish?
In the pool.
Next, where is the mouse?
The
Mouse is
is
in, on, under
under
the crocodile. Okay, that's the end of our speaking test. Sarah, say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you again.